Okay, so now I'm gonna test it against the Bose Home 500 speaker. This is not really portable. It's usually made to be in the house, but if you want to make it portable, you could check out a video that I have. I'll post it in the video link. I'll post a link in the video so you can click on that and check it out how to make it portable. All right. Yeah, so let's go. We're gonna first play this at 50%, and then we're gonna play this one at 50%. So I'm gonna play this first. Okay, JBL Xtreme 2 at 50%. Now the Bose Home 500 at 50%. Okay, Bose Home 500 speaker at 50%. Okay, the JBL Xtreme 2 at 50%.